gato ba lang wala naga.
And talks about plastic.
Good evening, fellow JPL. There is plastic pollution because we abused Mother Nature. We tend to live life that can make us, we tend to live in an easy life, in an expensive
major problem.
And I believe that through proper education, we can at least eradicate pollution. Because I believe that with education, one becomes responsible. And always remember, a responsible man is a nature's savior. That's all. Good evening.